Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to replace null values in Tableau and display them as blanks to keep your data clean and easier to read. Start by going to the data pane on the left side of your workbook. Find the field that contains null values, for example, a date field like goal date. Right-click that field, choose Change Data Type, and temporarily convert it to a string. Next, right-click the same field again and choose Aliases. This opens the Edit Aliases dialog box where Tableau lists all existing values in that field, including the null value. Scroll down until you see null in the list. Double-click inside the alias column next to null, delete the word null, press the spacebar once to create a blank value, and then click OK. This step tells Tableau to display nulls as empty instead of showing the word null. After that, return to the data pane, right-click the field again, and change the data type back to date. You'll notice the blank value remains, which means the null values are now visually cleaned up. As a best practice, you can also sort the date field so blank values appear at the bottom. Setting a default sort once helps keep future worksheets organized without repeating the same adjustment. And that's it. You've successfully replaced null values with clean blanks in Tableau, making your dashboards more professional and easier to understand. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Tableau tips on the channel.